Welcome back everyone, this is PyProtect. So today in this video I'm going to show you the assignment 7 for the English language for competitive exams. I'm really sorry I haven't been on YouTube for a while. I've been working on my exams and I've been doing a lot of personal things such as gaming and I'm watching a lot of anime. So besides that, here are the answers. So for question number 1 it's A, for 2 it's B, and for 3 it's B, for 4 it's C, 5 it's C, 6 it's C, 7B, 8B, 9C, and it's 10A. If you need reasons, so for basically Martinet is basically means a disciplinarian, and this one correlates with foul and abusive. It's a for theory. It's number B, because if you go ahead and Google this, I'll just show you something. Let's go ahead and Google this. This is basically something such as designated, and it says, from the stronger argument, the term is used when drawing conclusion that's even more obvious or convincing than the one just drawn. So it's by full force or one's office, because it says from the stronger. So from the stronger, it means by the full force. Or maybe it's 1 actually. It's actually 1. It's 3A. It is 3A. It's 3A, and 4C and everything is supposed to be correct. So till then, I'll meet you next time on the next video. So just correct the changes that I have made right now. It has to be 3A, and let's see you in the next video. Take care. Adios. Goodbye.